Dude, what?
What the hell?
I don't know if we can't go.
We definitely take that back.
Yeah.
Hello viewers, I'm going to Europe with my best mates.
This is Jacob.
Here is the king of going head first. The king. This is Oscar.
Gang and that.
And this is Luke, Daddy Pig.
What the hell?
There's an earthquake. Look at that, the pool. This is our hotel.
This is nice.
Let's go. How you feeling, Oscar? Oh! I just got sack whacked by my bag. Oh, don't tell me.
Oh, the vlog's gonna see it.
Oh, what a beautiful room. It smells like off milk.
Oh, actually, except John apologise.
What's this view like?
Oh, dude. Whoa, the 4D.
Woo! Shoddy single bed.
Stitch up.
Oh, look at this view.
This is crazy. Holy GoPro on a stick.
Mental thing I've ever done.
This
is easily.
This is one of our nicest accommodations.
This is easily top 5. I've said it once. I'll say it again. I will continue to say it.
This is.
Oh, you. Oh, you be.
This accommodation is quite incredible. Oi, get down. Oi.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's fine, don't worry.
Dust it off. Good.
Oh, this is what they have on the bottom of the Newcastle bars.
Yeah, they got it specially from Santorini, Greece.
Yeah. That's why.
Okay, bye everyone. Jacob's starting to really annoy me, so I'm going.
Oh, sophisticated gang.
This is bliss.
Beautiful. Got our wraps. Yep, so here we are.
Training camp.
Trying to get massive.
We're going out, so the boys are like, oh, we need to pump our muscles up. We need to get big.
Ganging that. What we doing?
Apparently ganging that.
Training camp. Boys want to go out?
I'm definitely cropping out every single time you say gang and that. Beautiful. Oh yeah, boys. Pool all to ourselves.
You know what I'm about to say?
You're a Madax?
Don't say it. Oh, what? So I claim it with putting my cup there, and then.
Finders, keepers, losers, weepers.
All right, then there's your towel. So. All right, time for a swim, boys. Who's going in?
Not us.
Oh, no one. Oh, bunch of dogs.
Hey, I now have long blonde curly hair, gang and dat.
Oh, so do I.
Yeah?
Gang and that.
Gang and dat, yeah.
No. It's
Oscar.
gang.
No. Log if he says it. Oh my god.
Jacob just went to bed and he was like, and he said to us, he sent us a message, doors unlocked, boys, all good. And then me and Oscar get home at 1:30 and doors locked. Yeah. And then so me and Oscar had to climb up here.
Wait, it actually looks so much worse. Maybe we were just absolutely scratched.
So,
It didn't seem that bad.
So me and Oscar came in from the street over there, went along here, jumped over that wall, and then we had to climb up this. It actually, I don't know whether the GoPro does it justice, but we helped each other out and we got up here. So
Yeah, I can't believe you guys.
So Oscar, what do you say to that when we scaled the wall? Gang in that.
Yeah, we won't show them. Wait, what's that? Wait, is that a little ledge to get up on?
We are now picking up our quad bikes. So keen. Let's go. Check both ways. Nice. Oh, that corner. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go, boys.
On the left-hand side of the road as well. Hold that up, man.
No, but we're not doing anything right now.
Here we are. This is all fun. You gotta hold it like this too, bro. Okay. Gotta improve your vlogging skills, mate. Look at Jacob. Bye-bye. Arrested in Santorini.
Oh, look at him telling Jacob. Oh, he's definitely telling Jacob what to do. Jacob, you bloody idiot.
Right.
Well, he was telling him what to do as well, and he still didn't. The blinker. Nice blinker, Jacob.
Jacob's the blink. Oh, where are you turning?
Oh, yeah, he stopped for a sec.
Oh, is it going on your leg?
Oh, what the? Oh, dude.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, bro.
That's
That's not our problem. Oh, it is though.
Well, yeah, it looks like.
Dude, what?
What the hell?
I don't know if we can't go.
We definitely take that back.
Yeah.
Jacob like ran out of fuel as he got here, so the guy just pulled him along. We are very lucky we got to the petrol station. Very lucky. Spudley right here. Spudley. Where the big full tank is.
The wind's cold, but the exhaust on the ankles is keeping us warm.
Yeah, dead set, eh? It's so hot.
I've been the big two-wheeler.
We're gonna have a hole in our calves from the heat coming out of the exhaust. Oh. So romantic.
This is for you, Sarah.
Aw, thank you.
Oh. No swearing. Chris, no swearing in the vlog.
Yeah, you can't swear in the vlog.
No swearing in the vlog.
Wait, where's
Sarah, there's your face.
Oh my god, I'm afraid.
And Christina.
Alright.
No.
No, you gotta try it. You've gotta try it.
It's closed.
You're gonna have more than.
Yeah.
That's a good bite. That's a good bite.
It's not good.
It's good.
It's I.
I'll finish it anyway, so don't worry.
Okay, you
No, you're gonna have a proper bite, but then
No,
I'll
I'm
finish
not.
it.
Proper bite later.
Proper bite and
Aye.
I'll finish
No,
it. Or
try
Jacob
it
will
for
finish
real.
it.
Shut up.
No.
Look at mine.
Come on.
Mm.
Come on.
Mm.
You don't like it?
No, I don't. I'm
Oh.
sorry. So sorry.
What do you think, Sarah?
To be fair.
What do
Oh
you
my
think?
god. I don't like it.
10 out of 10.
Hey, really? You like
What do you
this?
think?
I think it's like when you look at the. Tastes like. Can I be?
You think you need to.
Tastes like what?
It's not good. It's not good.
Alright, you wanna repeat that, like?
Yeah, Jacob, go back to your own country.
Hey, that's outrageous. I'm from Greece. So there's only 2 rules in Greece on the road. The speed limits don't matter. You can go whatever speed you want. What are the 2 things? You just can't drive when you're on drugs. Oh, sketch.
If anyone's wondering, yes, this is the best song.
Yeah, it is
Turn it up.
confirmed. You can't drive when you're on drugs, and you have to stop at a red light. They're the only 2 rules. The crossings do not exist.